Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be doing a race in Piggy build mode. So pretty much Football Guy built a map where we can race cars and then we drive it through a wall. And then actually I'll show you guys in a second. But this right here is like, this is not the finished map because we found out there's a lot of unfair things, like unfair advantages. So we fixed that up a little later. So I'll show you guys that. So in the yellow car is Mega Mobile Gaming, and the red is Football Guy, and in the blue is me. And we each have 2 gas cans, but we only need 1. And on the outside, you can see like these little red things. That's clear blocks, but they're not clear yet because the game hasn't started. And at first there was only 1 layer was here, but we added 3 because it was too easy before. And you see we each have a door. And then there's a key in front of it. We have to unlock it. Then there's going to be another key, and then we have to grab that. And pretty much whoever grabs the white key first wins, because they are the one who unlocked the door. Round 1. Oh no, I'm already off to a slow start. I'm gonna throw my key over the car. I'm gonna throw my car over the key. No, Football Guy got the key already. Football Guy won that one. Round 2. And we're doing it out of 10 rounds. Okay, we're kind of all tied right there. Oh no, my car flipped over. There we go. Oh, I didn't get it. Football Guy got it again. Football Guy won again. Round 3. Hope I get this one. There we go, yeah. I'm the first one. Oh my gosh. I got it. Let's go. I won that one. Round 4. Grab the gas, put it in the car. And we changed it to like where it starts after you're already in the car, because before we tried it before and it was just like hard to get it all in the car to win. I accidentally switched seats. No, Football Guy's already there. Football Guy won. For the 3rd time, I'm pretty sure that is. And there comes Mega Mobile Gaming. Even though she's a banana, kind of weird. No, I drove over my key. No, I can't get back in the car. There you go. Oh no. I missed out by a lot because I actually drove over it. Why isn't he unlocking the door? He wants us to get killed by Piggy. Well, he won because he had the key. Football Guy won. No. Round 6. There we go. I might get this one. Let's go, I got it. Woohoo! I won again. Round 7. Mega Mobile Gaming, what are you doing? Mega Mobile Gaming as a banana. We also put barriers in between us so we don't run into each other, because we did that also before. And it also fell off the side, so we put more berries there. Well, Football Guy 770 got it again. Both of their YouTube links will be in the description below. I jumped off because I didn't want to get killed by Piggy. Round 8. Oh, I guess we're going. No, I can't move. And I realized I was in the wrong seat. That's why I didn't move. But I didn't realize that at the moment, so I just ran through Football Guys and I obviously lost that one. And Football Guy won for the 6th time, I thought. That was wrong. This is round number 9. Poor Mango Mobile Gaming, she's not winning any. See, I'm so close, but I'm just right after Football Guy. Football Guy won again. Round 10. This is the last round. And then I'm going to tell you the scores at the end. Or after it's done. Oops. I actually went before them, so they're all just gonna break one little wall. I did not know why I went there. Mango Cookie. What are you doing? Oh well, I guess we're just going. I might still have a chance at winning this. No! Football Guy won for the 8th time. So I won 2, Football Guy won 8, and Mango Mobile Gaming sadly won 0. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Bye!